Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Posh Palette. As promised, I am back with a brand new video which is Diwali vlog, or you can say Diwali video part 2. The first one is up. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll link the link in the description box so that you can go and watch it. And yeah, I am back, and today's video is all about Rangoli. I am here with my mama and the outfit which I told you how to choose the outfit and what I am choosing, what type of Rangoli and everything, which is a small video related to Diwali. So yeah, without wasting lots of time, let's get started. So yeah, now she will tell you everything about Rangoli significance. I think she will tell everything. So I think you should start telling everything to them. What is Rangoli and how you make and what you do in this Diwali and what you do in every Diwali and what you will do in this Diwali.
Okay, Twinkle, actually, before starting with everything about Diwali, I would like to tell you about the significance of Rangoli,
That is very
Why
important.
do we draw Rangoli on Diwali day? It's really very, very important. Because, Rangoli has its own importance. It's just beyond the decoration. It's just not meant for the decoration. It is something that shows liveliness, good fortune of the house. And the second thing is that why we draw Rangoli. It is just intended that Lakshmi ji is welcomed by drawing Rangoli.
I thought it's I used to think that it's only for decoration purpose, but today I came to know that it's related to mythology also.
Yeah. And the goddess of wealth, Lakshmi ji is goddess of wealth. So people believe that by drawing Rangoli, we welcome her and good fortune comes at our home. So this is the reason for drawing Rangoli. And Rangolis are of different types. People nowadays, they draw different types of Rangoli. But when I was a child or when I was unmarried, that time it wasn't so varieties of Rangoli, We used to just draw the dotted Rangolis.
Yeah, I saw that video. People used to draw with
Just by drawing the dots, and then we used to join
geometrical
them.
types.
So that sort of a Rangoli. And for us, before marriage, for us Diwali was just wearing beautiful dresses, having delicious food, and just drawing the Rangoli. This was Diwali for us. But after
Same
marriage,
with me.
but now after marriage, I realized the worth of Diwali. Why do we celebrate? What is the importance, the worship, and everything? It's all about the triumph of good over evil, the light over dark. This is all Diwali meant for. But actually, what do I want to tell you is that about the Rangoli right now. There are so different types of Rangoli, and I have been drawing Rangoli for so many years. And you all can't imagine that I've drawn number of designs. And one thing that I want to tell is I never repeated the design.
This time what happened, we were searching the Rangoli designs on Pinterest everywhere, and we were shocked that every design she has already made.
I'm not saying that I've made all the designs,
but designs
still, maximum
were the same.
Because I draw very huge Rangolis, and this time what I've decided, I should give a little bit twist to my stereotype of Rangoli. So this time what I decided is to draw the flower Rangoli.
Yes,
with different types of flowers. I will be using the colors, but maximally I will be using the flowers with different colors.
And diyas also, which I showed you the pack one na. I bought that diyas specially for this Rangoli कि हम लोग उसको decorate कर सके.
And while drawing the Rangoli, I will definitely make a video and just post it so that you all come to know how to make the flower Rangoli. Okay, by using different type of things. It's not only the flowers but also the leaves, the grass, so many things we are going to use, and how to start by drawing the outlines and everything. Then how to just think about the design, what is the way to just manage the colors, the colors that matches, it goes with that.
And I want you to tell everyone कि अपन को हमेशा पहले से क्यों, why we need to prepare everything beforehand Diwali so that we should not get messed up on the day of Diwali.
You know why? Why you should be well prepared before anything you start. You know, here is the brain that works all the time. Once you are prepared, you know what is your plan. You just have to work on that plan. You don't need to think over
It's
again
for
and again.
everything, whether
It's for everything. It's not only for
outfit, makeup, everything.
And you know that gives you the confidence. Now, no, I have to do this, so I'm ready with that,
Yeah.
and I'll be doing it.
Yeah.
So that gives you a confidence. And once you get the confidence, confidence matters a lot. Once you get the confidence, the half of the work is done. You know,
Right.
and whatever the output is, it's going to be the best.
True. And on the day of Diwali, I will also vlog that day also.
Yeah.
And I will show how she makes rangoli. Different रहेगी, आप लोग पहले वाली तो नहीं देख पाएंगे जो उन्होंने बनाया, but this time I will show you how she is making rangoli and what are the flowers that we are bringing and what are the color scheme that we are using. And I think now she will tell you that what are the colors that you should use and what are the colors that you should avoid while making rangoli.
Actually, while making rangoli means what? Having
Bright colors,
different colors,
yes.
with bright colors, and especially, you know, red, yellow, green, blue. These are the colors that are the basic
Right.
colors, you know. If you're not adding these colors, means you are not giving the color to rangoli.
Right.
These are the 4 or 5 colors that you should always have with you, and it will give the very means colorful look to your rangoli.
And what colors to avoid while making rangoli?
You know, actually, I will not say that you should avoid the colors. It depends what design are you
Yeah,
going to
right,
make. Okay.
right.
So it depends on that. I cannot say that you should avoid the black color. No, sometimes black color also gives a very nice look to the rangoli. So it depends. All the things depends on the rangoli.
But I think that, अब मुझे नहीं पता whether it's right or wrong,
Yeah.
but I think that कि rangoli जो होती है थोड़ी colorful and bright colors की रहे तो it
Yeah.
gives a pop up to your home also and to everything.
Yeah, definitely. You know, but what happens, Twinkle? Sometimes when you just, you know, just give a contrast, like, you know, the Firozi color, you know, no, that sort of a
Yeah,
blue color. If
yeah.
you just go it with the baby pink, it gives a very nice
Yeah.
look.
Like this, I decorated my backdrop with
Yeah.
these colors. These are bright colors and they
Yeah.
are looking so beautiful.
And naturally, in Diwali means red, yellow, green
Lights,
has to be there. It has to
everything,
be there.
yeah.
Yes, that's true.
So this is all about what type of rangoli, how she is making, what she will do, and I will show everything in my upcoming blog. So now moving on towards the outfit section.
Okay.
So now moving on towards the outfit section, I want to ask you all and to Mama also, what kind of outfits you prefer on festivals and everywhere where it's Western, Indo-Western, anything that you want to wear, what you prefer. I think you should write down in the comment section, and I want you to ask what you prefer on different occasions.
You know, occasion, it matters what occasion we are going to celebrate, okay? And naturally, being India, being the country of festivals, we have lots
True,
of festivals
right.
here. So definitely, you know, what is festival? Putting on new clothes.
That is the
You know
main thing
why?
for girls and boys, everyone.
Yeah, you know, but why?
No.
Anything that you decorated and it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Same thing with us, with we human beings. You know,
We
once
should
we
decorate
decorate
ourselves.
ourselves. So how to decorate? It's not only wearing a makeup, but also putting on a beautiful dress.
Yes.
You know, that adds to your beauty. And once you dress up yourself, you start feeling happy, you know, within.
right.
You start feeling happy, and that reflects on your face. So what do I feel is, according to the festivals, you should go with the dresses. And but nowadays you have different types of dresses. You have variety of dresses. Previously we just used to have the Indian dresses. Now you have Indo-Western,
right.
Western. It depends on your taste.
And मुझे अब आप लोग से ये बताना है कि we often say that on Diwali we have to wear new dress. It's not compulsion. आपको हमेशा नहीं पहनना है. जो अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, दे अफोर्ड दे वेयर. एंड अगर आप नहीं पहन सकते हैं, आई हैव अ वेरी कूल आइडिया फॉर यू ऑल. यू मस्ट हैव seen that your mothers or your दादी और anyone जो भी आपके घर पे साड़ीज को अलग कर देते हैं, जो वो नहीं पहनते हैं. What you can go to a boutique or go to anyone जो ड्रेसेस स्टिच करते हैं या जो भी है.
Go to a common
yeah,
tailor
common
also.
tailor
Yeah.
also. जरूरी नहीं आपको बुटीक पे जाना है. You can go to a common tailor. आप वहां से जाके उस साड़ी या मटेरियल से कुछ न्यू ड्रेस इन्वेंट कर सकते
Yeah,
हैं.
you should be always innovative,
Yeah,
you know.
and वो आपकी न्यू ड्रेस है. That's a new dress for you.
Yeah.
किसी ने आपको पहने नहीं देखा.
Yeah,
That's a new
that's
dress
it,
for you.
that's
That's a
it.
very common
Yeah.
concept that I have. मैंने भी ऐसे कितनी ड्रेसेस हैं जो मैंने मम्मा की जो साड़ीज
Yeah.
थी, मम्मा कम पहनती थी उनको, and then I converted them into lehengas, suits, everything.
Even I did the same thing.
Yeah, उनकी खुद की साड़ी she converted
Yeah,
into lehenga.
yes.
Yeah. Now moving on towards what I am wearing. I am wearing garara. Sharara and garara are different. And there's a noodle strap spaghetti. You can say this kind of kurta. It has got noodle straps. And this is the color of garara. This is a grayish color. I wanted to go pastel this time. मुझे बहुत heavy कुछ भी नहीं पहनना था. So I thought why not go with this, and I'll decide the jewelry what I have to wear, and what I'll do the makeup. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, I will do that. Now I want her, क्योंकि मैं confuse हो जाती हूँ, to be very honest, her to tell the pricing and everything. इसमें कितना cost लगा, because this is from scratch. मैंने लिया नहीं है. I didn't buy from a shop, or I went to a boutique. And सब बताने से पहले I want to appreciate a boutique. To be very honest, she is amazing. A fabulous, you can say boutique, fabulous boutique, fabulous lady. जहाँ से मम्मा ने, मुझे लगता है जब से she got married तब से अभी तक, एंड मैंने भी बचपन से मैं उनके यहाँ गई हूँ. The name of the boutique is Pehnava Boutique. The name or the owner of that Pehnava Boutique is Mrs. Alka Sahani. She is a fab lady. I really wanted to tell you. And उनको जो मैंने दिया है ना, she did a fantastic job. मैं मम्मा के काम से कुछ गई थी. I saw this material and this material. I said आंटी मुझे इसका कुछ बनवाना है, मुझे बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है मटेरियल. तो मैंने उनको बस डिजाइन बताई है ओरली, मैंने कुछ ड्रॉ भी नहीं किया था. एंड शी डिड माई ड्रीम ड्रेस. शी मेड माई ड्रीम ड्रेस जैसे मैंने अपने आप को इमेजिन किया था. शी डिड इट. एंड आफ्टर टेलिंग एवरीथिंग अबाउट माई प्राइसिंग एंड ऑल, मैं आगे आपको उनके बारे में बताऊंगी.
Yeah. Actually, no, I have been getting all my dress, my blouse, everything getting stitched from that same boutique. That is Pehnava Boutique. And you know, the lady, the owner of that boutique, she is just very close to my heart, and she's a fabulous lady. She is just not a owner of that boutique, but you know, she's something very close to us. You know, you can call her as a member of our family. And she doesn't treat us as a customer, but she's just like, you know, she just treats my daughter as her daughter, and whatever she says, she goes with that everything, and she just do whatever the work she does wholeheartedly.
एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग उनके इतने क्लोज हैं, दैट्स व्हाई शी मेड एवरीथिंग बेटर. नो, आप अगर जाएंगे, इफ यू आर फ्रॉम कटनी, कोई भी मुझे देख रहा है फ्रॉम कटनी, आई विल रिकमेंड दैट प्लीज गो टू दैट पहनावा बुटीक. मैं फुल एड्रेस अपने जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स होता है मैं उसमें मेंशन करूंगी. एंड इफ पॉसिबल कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर, ऐसे सबका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर नहीं किया जाता है, बट इफ पॉसिबल आई डू दैट. एंड यू कैन कॉल हर और यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट हर थ्रू एनी वे. मैं उनसे पूछ के कॉन्टैक्ट डाल दूंगी अगर पॉसिबल हुआ. अगर वो ऑनलाइन शिप करती हैं या कुछ भी वैसे ऑनलाइन करना, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज साइज का इशू होता है, कुछ होता है. बट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट हर. कुछ अगर आपका बनता है तो यू कैन डू दैट. नाउ आई वुड लाइक मम्मा टू टेल यू द प्राइसिंग ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस.
Yeah, before the pricing, I would like to tell you the material of this dress. It is a sequence top, you know, actually, and I think it's it means it was stitched in 1.5 meter of a cloth or sort of a thing, and you know, it costed around about 1200 rupees per meter. This
per
cloth,
मीटर
per
इस
meter.
ड्रेस का जो मेरा सिर्फ
This
कुर्ता
top,
था
this was
per
1200
meter
rupees per
1200.
meter, and really you can see with the beautiful colors. All the colors are very pastel colors, and you know it's trending nowadays, and it will definitely look very beautiful on my daughter. I know it very well. And this is the garara.
This is the garara.
Okay,
Yes.
this is the bottom actually, and it is of, you can say, what material should I call it? It is a synthetic, sort of a silk synthetic material, I can say like that, and it's round about 4.5 meter cloth, and it is round about 400 or 500 rupees
per
per
meter. इस ड्रेस का जो पर मीटर
Yeah.
है 400 और 500
Yeah,
पर मीटर है.
And you know the cost
Of this total
of
dress.
this total dress with material is 4,500 rupees.
Which is 4,500 only.
Yeah.
And
it's very reasonable.
Yeah, it's very
you know.
reasonable.
It's a dress that you can put on anywhere. You know, a small party or a big party, anywhere you want to go, you can just put on, and you will look marvelous after putting this. You'll look beautiful, you know, because you know the combination you can see with the bottom and this top, it's totally different.
Yeah,
And after she will be putting on this dress, she will definitely post a video, and you will come to know how beautiful she's looking after putting on this dress.
And after that, I want to tell you that what my sister is wearing. I'll show you in another vlog, not on this vlog. What are you wearing?
You know, actually, I'll tell you one thing, Twinkle, that I love to put on, or I love to drape a sari. You know, during the festival sort of a thing, I just love to drape a sari. I'm going to drape a sari only, but I'm not sure which one
color?
I'm going to. So let's wait for that. Let's see
वो
whatever.
तो व्लॉग में आप
Yeah.
लोग को दिख ही जाएगा कि
Yes.
हम लोग क्या ड्रेसअप कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट माई टूडेज व्लॉग. मैं एक ब्रीफ देना चाहती हूँ. वी टॉक्ड अबाउट रंगोली. पहले से क्यों प्रिपेयर करनी चाहिए, व्हाट कलर्स टू यूज. ब्राइट कलर ब्लैक भी यूज कर सकते हैं, बट यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ कॉम्बिनेशन इन दैट.
Yeah.
प्रिपेयर रंगोली पहले से, आप डिजाइन पहले से प्रिपेयर कर लें. आप क्या बनाना है क्या नहीं बनाना है. यूज ब्यूटिफुल कलर्स. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको सिर्फ एक ही रंगोली बनानी. यू कैन मेक सेवरल डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ रंगोली. संस्कार, पोर्ट्रेट, वाटर, फ्लावर रंगोली,
रंगोली,
एवरीथिंग.
yeah.
आप कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. That
Whatever
will-
is available
Yeah,
at your home.
Yes. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको बहुत एक्सपेंसिव. नो. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट माई आउटफिट. आपको पहले से देखना है व्हाट आउटफिट कैसे बनाना है, क्या पैटर्न है. मेरे दिमाग में ऑलरेडी पैटर्न था. आई वॉन्टेड टू बाई ड्रेस लाइक दिस, बट मुझे वो मटीरियल दिख गया तो मैंने ले लिया. एंड वन वीक बिफोर माई ड्रेस इज रेडी, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी. Thank you so much, Alka aunty, for making this beautiful dress. I'll mention all the details about her in the description box, and you can go talk to her. मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ कि आदत है बोलने की, बट पता नहीं मैं नंबर मेंशन करूंगी कि नहीं. But
We will have to ask her first.
And you can have, if you have any query, you can ask in the comment section. हम लोग उनको कन्वे करके आपको जो भी चाहिए we can deliver to her, and हम आपको वापस revert back जरूर करेंगे in the comment section. That is for sure. We have decided everything. Now you can see the backdrop. मैंने बोला था मैं थोड़ा चेंज करूंगी. हो सकता है आपको अच्छा लगा हो. अगर अच्छा लगा है, thank you. नहीं लगा तो I'll try to do something different with my backdrop. So yeah, this is the end of this video. This is vlog part 2. Part 3 is coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Stay home, stay safe, stay hydrated. पहला वीडियो जा चुका है, प्लीज जाके देखना. Bye. I love you all. Thank you.
Please subscribe my Posh Palette.
Bye.